Today I'm going to unbox the world's finest grease gun, so stay tuned. This video is brought to you by the Lube Shuttle and all the other fine products located in the Tractor Mike Fun Store. Use the link in the description to click into the Mike store that has some of the most fun and creative products that are available for tractor lovers today. Hi, this is Paul from countrycraziness.com. If you're interested in post-frame construction, tractors, and homesteading, well, you've come to a good place. Why not subscribe, tap the bell, and join in on the conversation? You know, everybody wants to see something when it comes into a box, exactly what it's going to look like. And today I've got the Lube Shuttle grease gun, perhaps the best grease gun in the whole world. It's German made and German engineered, and I want to show you exactly what it's going to look like when you open up the box. When you look at the front of the box, the first thing you see is that it's made in Germany. And the other thing that you see right away is that it's thread-in tubing, and you can start greasing immediately. Unlike a conventional grease gun, there's no plunger on the bottom of it that pushes the grease up through the tube. It then turns out to be a leaky mess in the end. No, you don't have a plunger. That creates no air gaps, leaking grease, or wasted time. These tubes use up almost all the grease that are in them, unlike conventional grease guns. Okay, got a packing slip here. I've got the safe lock with this particular one, and we'll talk about the safe lock separately, but that snaps on over the grease fittings. And then here's the Lube Shuttle system. It's got the hose. It's got the gun. This one I got the pistol grip. You can also get a conventional grip where you push it up and down on the sides. And then this one came with one tube of grease. You can order these Lube Shuttles in a couple of different ways. This particular kit comes with the grease gun, one tube of grease, and the safety lock fitting. But you can get these things in other combinations of grease gun, grease tubes, and things of that nature. Okay, now here's the safe lock. This threads onto the one side of the tubing, and then it's got this jaws that you see on here, and that's gonna clip right onto your fitting, and this will snap on. It'll keep it from pulling off. So it gives you a real positive connection. It should eliminate any grease from leaking out around that fitting, get all the grease into the fitting, and be more economical and a lot less messy than using a conventional grease gun. One of the things about the Lube Shuttle that makes it so attractive is that it utilizes the grease almost fully out of the tube. And it's so simple to work with. You don't have any of that spring plunger at the bottom where grease can leak out and you get wasted grease and it's just a yucky mess. With the Lube Shuttle, all you do is take off the top and you push up on the bottom until you get some grease coming out the top, like so. And then you just put it in the bottom of the Lube Shuttle and screw it down. Boom, you're good to go. So let's take this baby out to the barn and see if we can get some grease into that tractor loader once and for all, nice and neat without a big mess. See you out there in a second. By the way, in the next week or two, I'm going to be having an expert on. We're going to be talking about electric tractors, so make sure you stop back for that. I've been using the Lube Shuttle without the locking device on it, and it works just fine without it, so it may not be something that you need. As you can see, when I put that on, it snaps into place very positively. So then I'm just going to pump down the old Lube Shuttle. Boom, I got grease coming out the other side. Well, the greasing's done and my hands are still clean. Lube Shuttle truly has changed the way that we deliver grease from the gun to the fitting. And once you use one, you'll never go back to a conventional grease gun again. And if you want to see interviews I've done with interesting people in the tractor business, then check out this playlist. And if you'd like to see a video that YouTube recommends just for you, then check this one out. We'll see you next week.